S909 con destino a Fuerteventura. Última llamada para el resto de los pasajeros. Diríjanse inmediatamente a la puerta número 20.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a couple of moments you will hear the ship's general alarm.
Don't panic, Mr. Manring.
But for now, this is only a test.
Work. That's noisy. I'm going to look through this way, try and get my coffee. That was a bit noisy. Oh, this is slightly. Oh. Can you see the sea down there? It's a bit rough. I don't know where land is. Well, there's no mention of snow on the weather forecast he gave us.
Oh dear, you wouldn't last long out there.
Oh dear. That's blacker than that is. There's some bumps.
Time, isn't it? It's snowing and it's a bit choppy with my coffee. It's 6:30. I don't know if you can see this snow, but it's quite thick. There's turn around that way. The cabin's lovely. The problem is every time it docks, the engines and the thrusters are going for at least half an hour. I'm not dancing, this is the boat going doing this. So.
In our search for what we find, leaving this grace behind,
I've seen that before.
heading for the sun.
Sun.
lights there. That is a boat there. It's in the distance. Another boat out there. I haven't got a clue what it is. See if I do it this way. You can just see some lights up here bobbing up and down, some red and white lights. That's with the horizon and the sun coming up over here. It stopped snowing anyway. Bloody hell. It's bloody cold.
The sun's still rising. Hopefully I'll go and try and find the church. The bus is charging from the... Look at that! Never seen that before. Isn't that brilliant? I've never seen it before. Charges it. That's the door. There's a lot from these. Yeah, it's brilliant, that is. It's only what? He's a bit traditional. No, a wooden fascia. You don't really want to get wood from. In Iceland they seem to use corrugated iron for the buildings, and here it's all wood. Yeah. Steamboat over there. That's Central Station.
Have you spoken to them?
To see us now with a bit of light. We're going to see what the lady's got to say.
from underneath the ocean. And then we have it here, right from this place. It's actually the champagne that Hurtigruten makes themselves. We put them on the floor of the ocean and it stays there for a year. Yes. Almost a year, and then it gets up. But that's discovered from shipwrecks that it actually makes champagne even better because it kept